And what we are going to do now, continuing precisely as we have done before, is to meticulously cook this succulent piece of meat. So we will carefully do it using this particular pan right here that you can clearly see. And now we're going to select the cooking method, a medium cook, and then we'll put in the 2 slices. So I have this slice, which is a regular slice, okay, that's been prepared. This one, on the other hand, you might remember because it has, as you can see, this white marbling, okay. This is the one treated with molecular hydrogen. This one here, which looks uniform, is the regular one. And now, let's see what happens during the cooking. Again, to keep the video continuous, I won't move anything, so I'll put the meat here, 1 slice here, and 1 slice there. Now maybe I'll bring this camera over, the other one. Here we go. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm currently cooking the delicious meat, which is sizzling nicely. Let's see. Here we go. This is our meat. So this is the one that's cooking with. This is the one not treated with molecular hydrogen. This, on the other hand, is our slice. As you can see, this one here is starting to lose a lot of liquid compared to this one, which stays more intact. Why is this one losing so much liquid? Precisely because it's a piece of meat that also has high oxidative stress, meaning it's a piece of meat that's oxidizing. In other words, since it doesn't have molecular hydrogen, it tends to oxidize, and the cells of the meat oxidize even more due to the heat. Whereas this one, as you can see, has stayed a bit more intact, and this one, you see, starts to lose a lot of water precisely because the cells are, well, they're not treated with an antioxidant, and so they get damaged more. This one, on the other hand, stays a bit more intact. So this is also a very, very interesting experiment because we have the opportunity to see what happens during cooking when meat is treated with an antioxidant. A fork, in the meantime. Here we go, see? This one has definitely shrunk much more compared to this one, which has stayed more intact and has also released a lot more liquid, right? Let's flip this one, okay? And of course, even from a taste perspective, this meat, see how this one really releases much more water compared to the other one. There, so we've also done this meat experiment. Of course, taste is also what makes the difference, but in a video, in the virtual world, that's still not possible, so we'll have to settle for the visual part. So now I'm going to taste the steak as well, and I assure you, even from activities done with qualified chefs, that the taste is truly surprisingly different from one to the other. The meat is also more tender, also less tough. It's really something you have to try, all right? Thank you, and see you in the next video.